there's companies that are getting blamed for price gouging. So if it's not inflation, we're definitely seeing higher prices and trying to figure that out. I'm curious if you've seen price gouging from any of the commodities or anything that you're shipping. Have you seen manifests that are shipping iron ore that's the same amount, but maybe double the price? Are you seeing any price gouging within the commodities that you're shipping? Is that something that you can see? Do you have access to see that?
Well, China especially was suspecting that price gouging was happening in their own territory a few months ago, and they tried to clamp down on that. And I think they were pretty successful. At some point, iron ore was above $200 per ton, and now I think it's around 120 or thereabouts, which is not a huge price. It has gone down to 60 at times as well, or 50, but I do not see this really happening. I think the reasons behind the prices going up have a lot to do with maritime transportation, and especially if we're talking about the end consumer. You very well know what is going on with container ships. Their rates have gone up like 20 times, their chartering rates. Therefore, it's much more expensive today to transport a container. And there is not enough capacity to carry the goods. And we have all kinds of people telling us that they have a few thousands of containers waiting to be shipped for months, and this is not happening. And there's a lot of congestion in ports. And when there's congestion, you still pay the vessels to wait outside of the port, and therefore costs are going up tremendously on the transportation front. So I think this is part of it. And then, what is inflation? Inflation is perhaps too much money chasing too few goods. But if the goods cannot get to their end place, if there's not enough goods, people will just pay more for what is available. So I think shipping has a lot to do with the inflation that we're seeing right now.